So we're now sailing on the Princess Canal, one of the three main canals. And here we're passing a forward sea lock. There are still 16 of those locks around the city of Amsterdam. And in the past they used the locks to protect the city against the sea. Because in the past Amsterdam had an open connection with the sea. But because we closed the sea, we don't need the locks anymore for the protection, but we still use the locks for to maintain the water level and to refresh the water in the canals. So here we're passing one of the many side canals of Amsterdam. This one is a connection canal between the main canals named the Brewers Canal. Because in the past there were many beer breweries situated along this canal. Believe it or not, in the past they used the canal water for to brew beer.
The Noordermarkt is one of Amsterdam's most colorful and lively markets that date back to the Golden Age. On Saturdays, it's a farmer's market, packed with fresh organic vegetables, meat, and other good things to eat. On Mondays, it converts to a flea market with antiques, art, clothes, and many other treasures waiting to be discovered.
The market is held in the square outside Noordermarkt. This octagonally shaped church was built in the 1620s to serve the poor, while the rich attended Westerkirk on the other side of the Prinsengracht. Both churches were designed by Dutch architect Hendrik de Keyser. The lines in the pavement outside Noorderkirk mark an old cemetery for the poor. The rich were buried inside.
Can you spot any warehouses along this canal? Look for their telltale wooden window shutters and triangular spout gables. Until about a century ago, these warehouses were filled with dry goods and other supplies. But today, the most likely thing you'll find inside is people.
After industries moved out of this area, the warehouses sat vacant until squatters discovered the empty buildings in the 1960s and 70s and put them to use. But this didn't last for long. Seeing potential in the warehouses, which are located right next to the water, in a historically significant part of the city, developers pushed the squatters out. The warehouses have now